Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Tuesday, the 3rd of March. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. I am doing this from Sugarloaf up at Carabasset Valley. Got a chance to ski with my mom yesterday. Some of you might have seen a couple of pictures I posted on social media, and I'm just really grateful to be able to do that, of course. I know there's not a lot of people my age still skiing with their moms. All right, so what about the weather? That's really what you want to hear about. We've got this winter weather advisory posted. By the way, depending on when you're listening to this, if you're listening to it between, let's say, 5 and 6:30 before the moon goes down, just if you can get a clear view of that western horizon, depending on how cloud cover is where you are, you might see that eclipse. And it should be a nice sunrise if the clouds don't thicken up in the next hour or two here. Temperatures today in the 30s. Watch for that mixed bag to move in. Could be some slick travel for the second half of the afternoon, first part of the evening. So if you are traveling, just be aware of that. I think the Sanders and Salters will be out. For overnight hours tonight, temperatures fall back toward freezing. A little bit of light mixed precipitation comes to an end. Then on Wednesday, sunny. Temperatures literally between 50 and 55 degrees. It's going to be like spring out there. Thursday, we start to get cooler in the mid 40s. There might be a little rain or snow shower in the morning. No accumulation. Then another weather system kind of rides the front, the gap or the dividing line between the really chilly air to the north. Northern New England is going to stay in the 20s and 30s, and 70s to the south. And so we're going to see rain moving in Thursday night and into Friday, the first part of the day. I think the Friday morning commute is wet, temperature around 40. Right now, if we surge into the warm side of the front, we could get back towards 60 here on Sunday. I'm not going to promise that because that front's going to be really close. And sometimes this time of the year, those fronts get stuck. And, you hear the forecast and you look at your smartphone, it says 60 degrees, and then you get closer to Sunday and it says 35 degrees. And either of those are possible. So let's not get too ahead of ourselves with the warmth this weekend, but there is a possibility of more spring-like warmth around here. It will not get into northern New England. I can almost guarantee that. Have a great morning, everybody.